Hey guys, welcome to Co-op. Just going to give you a quick orientation of the site so you can know where to find things and how to do stuff. So the first thing you're going to do is go to the content area right here. Click on that. Okay, and so we're in the pre-placement part of the course. If you click on that, it'll take you to the unit. And here's where you're going to find the 10 different lessons that you have to complete before you're allowed to go out on placement. So you need to complete them in order, and you need to complete them all. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on it here. Okay, it's going to bring you to like an overview of it. You're going to click on content, and you're going to read all about this. It's like the lesson, and then you'll go to assignment, and this is what you're going to complete. Because I'm with you in class, you have two options on how to submit it. You can either submit it to me a paper copy, or you can put it in the Dropbox, whatever you guys would prefer. Okay. When you're done that lesson, you'll come back to the unit, and you'll check it off that it's completed so you can keep organized and know what you've done, and then you'll move on to the second lesson. And same thing again, you'll go to the content area, you'll read through all the different content, tips and tricks, and so you know what you're doing. Sometimes there's more pages than one, so you'll click on next, it'll bring you to the second page and so forth. And you'll go to the assignment page, and it's important to go through the content first for real before you go to the assignment. Okay. And then you'll just complete that, submit it to the Dropbox or hand me a paper copy, and then you'll move on to the next one. And again, there's 10 of these that you need to complete in order, and as soon as the 10 are done, you'll be out on placement. Okay. Oh, I should show you one more thing too. If you do use the Dropbox, this is where you'll find it. You'll go to Course Tools, Dropbox, and there are all the different sort of activities that you guys will be submitting throughout the semester. Okay. You'll just put it in the Dropbox, and then once I mark it, I'll add feedback. Instead of writing on your paper, I'll add sort of electronic feedback, and it'll show up here. It'll say feedback, read feedback, or something like that. You'll click on that link, and then it'll tell you your mark and how you did and my comments to you as well. Okay? Any questions? Let me know.